Hello again. Earlier in the course, we went over the concepts of the customer journey and the marketing funnel. Now, let's explore the funnel in a little more detail, starting at the top with the awareness and consideration stages. We'll consider some of the things teams can do to get attention from potential customers and drive engagement effectively. First, awareness. You already know that awareness is when a potential customer encounters your brand for the first time. This may seem like a simple idea, but how do you make sure your brand gets in front of the right audience? The first step is research. Finding out who your customers are and where they are online can help you focus your marketing efforts in the right places. Getting to know your particular audience allows you to pick the channels that have the best chance of reaching them. There are a lot of different tactics a business can use to reach customers. One way is to improve their rankings and search engine results. They can do this by optimizing website content around specific search terms or paying to place digital ads on websites, social media, email, or video platforms. Forming promotional partnerships with other brands or influencers can also help raise awareness. You'll learn more about each of these tactics later in the program. For now, just remember that a strong top-of-funnel marketing strategy takes advantage of multiple channels and creates a consistent experience across all of them. It's also important to keep in mind that awareness isn't a one-time event. Once someone knows about your business, it can take days, weeks, or even longer for them to get to the consideration stage. So once you've reached a potential customer, the goal is to get them to remember you. Say your company sells refrigerators. That's a big purchase and not one that you make every day. So even if a potential customer knows about your business, they might wait until their old fridge breaks to start thinking about a new one. Maintaining a consistent online presence can remind them that you exist when the time is right. That way, they'll think of your business when they do need your services. Now let's move on to consideration. You know that consideration is the getting to know you stage. It's when people start exploring your business and finding out what makes you different from the competition. During this stage, the goal is to increase the chances that a potential customer will eventually make a purchase. They might be reading online reviews or actively browsing your website by now, so you need to give them reasons to stick around or to come back if they've already left. At this stage, some potential customers will become leads. A lead is a potential customer who has interacted with a brand and shared personal information like an email address. Let's take that refrigerator example again. Imagine that customer goes to your website and checks out a few different models, but they don't make a decision right away. Maybe they need more time to think about it or want to compare different brands. Or they could have just gotten distracted. You can engage that person again by serving them ads based on the products and pages they visited. That makes it more likely they'll return to make a purchase. Once a potential customer is on your site, you should aim to educate them about your offerings and explain how specific products or services address their pain points. That can mean offering engaging, useful content like blog posts, newsletters, or webinars. Free samples, tools, or trial memberships can let potential customers test out your services before committing. The goal is to start building trust in the quality of your products and give customers what they need to make an informed choice. To recap, the top of the funnel boosts awareness and customer engagement. At the awareness stage, marketers use a variety of tools and channels to connect with potential customers and stay fresh in their minds. During the consideration stage, they should make it clear what they're offering and how they can meet customers' needs. When executed carefully, awareness and consideration tactics can lead to more people eventually becoming customers. Coming up, you'll learn more about marketing funnels and discover some ways to measure awareness and consideration success.